Okay, guys, don't mind the news of the back room. I hope I don't get copyrighted. Let's go start or record. I hope my friend, aka that pix.
What do you want me to sing for you?
Nothing.
Please, actually you want.
Okay. Loser found. Loser found.
Okay.
Tell me what you're feeling lately. I don't want. I don't want to what? I was against Loser down.
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, let's go wait for Jordan for pooping spirit match. Well, I'm gonna go. Let me share some songs. Wait, I should tell Jordan this song. You guys, I bet you saw this at the next video even though we didn't watch it. So pretty you need to watch it again. I don't know what's the name, but oh yeah, I know the name now. It's like a capital Y, capital W, capital H, capital Y, and then okay. Faith. Not my patience. No. I wanna be a savior. I wanna be your master. I wanna be a good boy. I wanna be a gangster. Wrong song. Sorry guys, wrong song. I wanna be your savior. I wanna be your master. I wanna make your heart beat round like a roller coaster. But you could beat. Yes, this is actually really song. Okay. I wanna be your savior. I wanna be your master. I wanna make your heart beat round like a roller coaster. I wanna be a good boy. I wanna be a gangster. Cause you could be the beauty and I could be the monster. I wanna touch your body. I wanna feel the love. I don't know much of the song. But this is the lifting latest song that I heard. Oh my god, I really freaking that fly out of my face. Okay, this is the latest song I ever heard. My patience is waning. Is this internating? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Alila, got this feeling in my soul. Cause of those magic balls. Now that you're spectrum response. Got that feeling in my soul. Cause of those magic balls. Now throwing all the stones. That's not it. What did we Drake, Bulas from Rivals po say na let me copy. Something happens then. What happened? Kasi no. I wanna be a good boy. I wanna be a flicker. Some more songs. Don't leave me. I know you don't want me. Rage bait. And waddle away. Was a ducky that waddled away. And he waddled away. Waddle. And he waddled to the next day. Guys, add me. For the next video, I'm gonna add everyone except these two. Except these two. These two guys. Oh no, not that. Online. Trusted. Okay, online. We trusted. Yeah. Except for these two. Bosey and Drakey. Let's sit back and relax and wait. I don't know how to edit, guys. Let's try it. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Did something happen? While waiting, guys, let me watch it. Let me keep watching it. Put my foot out. Let's wait for my friend. Let's keep watching. I hope I don't get copyrighted. I'm only watching like only no songs. No song. I will get copyrighted.
What movie looks like behind the scenes Peace live action too. Most people think Nuffy's main stunts are all handled by a stunt double, but Inaki did most of them himself. He even challenged Nami to a dance battle. However, before I tell you the most interesting ones, imagine you're in One Piece universe. Who would you want to be? If it's Luffy, like the video and hit the subscribe button.
Show me your old toys, playthings, mass and more. Your old toys, playthings, things are mass and more. Once I could see you from there, I know I could take the cow and the drugstore, surfer for my joy. I'd say I'm sorry, but not to me all the time. For me, toys. Jesus Christ. Wait, guys. Copyrighted, but look at this one. What's copyrighted? If you're homeless, just buy a house. If you're in a coma, just wake up. If you're disabled, become enabled. If you have a heart attack it there. If you're a layman, just forget it. If you're depressed, just be happy. If you have dementia, just forget it. If you have anxiety, just calm down. If you're villain, be like you. If you're broke, get some money. If you're homeless, buy if you're done, just become smart. If you're dead, just respawn. If you're drowning, just drown. If you're dead, just hear the just walk. If you're ugly inside, then put on makeup. If you're ugly in the inside, you eat the makeup. Okay, that's all, guys. Shout out to the small creators.
There will be good days, there will be bad days, and the journey together, we learn from this, we learn from one another. The love is there, definitely. But hindi wala yung respect. Kasi pag nawala na yung respect, yung relationships ng kapango, and working, it's really a foundation for us. Kasi having in our lives. Yun ang isang bagay na nakapagpatibay sa relationship namin. Having data as well.
Stating natin sa mga this is sometimes I hope you guys understand. Jack.
Discover more about her as you go along. So you get secret, target, secret. Pagka nakikita mo yun, siyempre, naging iba yung perspective mo. Ako, mas namin siya
Finish stop recording. Here's the recording. Here.